Hey guys, it's Tracy Lynn from DECLUTTERINMinutes.com, back with another Clutter Quick Tip. Okay, today I want to talk to you about collections. You know, those things that you tend to have more than just one of, and maybe more than quite a few of. Now, I'm not here to tell you that you can't have those collections. Remember the criteria for deciding what can stay in our homes and what needs to leave. If you need it, use it, or love it, then you may keep it. And if you have a collection, that is probably the love category of that criteria. I do have some simple tips that will allow you to get those collections up and out where you can enjoy them instead of keeping them in a box buried in an attic until you completely forget they're there and then you never realize you had them in the first place. If you have a collection, you want to have it up and out because collections are meant to make us smile, and your home is meant to be a place that you love and a place that you smile in, right? Okay, so I have this super simple tip that is going to help you keep those collections front and center. And I call it a seasonal rotation tip. Here's how it works. If you have a collection somewhere in your home, I want you to gather it up. Get it out on your kitchen table so you can see all that you have. Take advantage of having that collection out and do a quick clean, dust it, wipe it down, make sure it's in really good shape. Then I want you to divide that collection into 4 separate piles. You are now going to have a collection that is for spring, summer, winter, and fall. Whatever season you are in right now, that is the collection for that season, and that is what is allowed to stay out wherever it is you display it. Whether it be a shelf or a curio cabinet or a bookcase, it does not matter. But that is the current collection that is allowed to stay out. The other 3 piles, I want you to box them up in a container that will keep the integrity of the collection intact. And I want you to label it whatever season is left remaining. So if you're in summer right now, you're going to have a container for fall, a container for winter, and a container for spring. When the new season comes around, you are going to take down whatever part of that collection is out, and you're going to replace it with that season's collection. And just like that, you will be able to take that collection that you love, give it new life because you're going to see a new collection every single season and pare it down to a size that is more reasonable for whatever room you have in your home for that collection now. Now, remember, just because we're dividing your big collection into 4 smaller sizes does not mean that you have this whole world to open up to add to the collection. No, that's not what it means at all. You're going to add in this second tip so that you keep your collection at a size that is healthy and easy for you to enjoy. Anytime you add to this collection, you need to remove a piece before you bring a new piece in. Now, this is only going to work for those collections that don't have a monetary value. If they do, you may want to rethink that and add in another criteria. But your goal is to keep the collection at a healthy size so that you can enjoy it and really love your pieces going forward. By rotating out by season, it really does allow you to enjoy every single piece, to really embrace everything that you have. And you're going to touch each piece every season and pack it away, and then bring out a new piece every season and put it out on the shelf. And you'll get to see each piece and enjoy everything that you loved about it when you bought it in the first place. I hope you find this clutter quick tip another helpful tool that you can use to create a home you love. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.